A prediction about NFTs for 2022 following the bizarre one on Bitcoin. Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto peculiars. So have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. SEC Commissioner is expecting growth in NFT use cases in 2022. Indian taxman recovers $6.62 million from WazirX for evading tax on commission. Shiba unveils first phase of DOGGY DAO to empower SHIB holders. As per 1st January 2022, with around 500% surge, CarsAutoFinance tops the meme coin list. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, in 2022, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce predicts a growth in the financialization of NFTs, implying that holders must be mindful of how their actions may breach securities regulations. Well, I guess NFTs do have a future. I wonder what's exciting things are going to happen in 2022. Let's have a look at what's exactly happened for now. According to Peirce, as the area expands, holders will need to be aware of the potential for their activities to violate securities laws. Peirce gave her 2022 outlook in an interview with CoinDesk's First Mover on Thursday. As people figure out how to extract more value from the tokens, Peirce predicts that further use cases for NFTs will emerge. Peirce advised that these use cases grow ownership and governance rights. Holders should consider how they might interact with securities regulations. I think as people have learned, our definition of security is quite broad, and so people need to be thinking about potential places where NFTs might run into securities regulatory regime, said Hester Peirce. Also, according to US Securities and Exchange Commission Commissioner Hester Peirce on CoinDesk TV's First Mover Thursday, the placement of the intersections has yet to be decided. She has, however, already written about how fractionalization of NFTs could violate the SEC's mandate. Forming a single regulator to regulate crypto would not be a cure for the industry's regulatory difficulties. I certainly understand the impulse to call for one regulator. I have a couple problems with it, Peirce said. Typically in Washington, when you build another regulator, all you get is the existing regulators plus one. As bigger firms began to hop on Bitcoin bandwagon last year, regulation was at the forefront of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency concerns in 2021. Larger investors typically desire more regulatory certainty since large investments might come with large risks in an uncertain climate. So moving ahead with our next segment for today, we're going to talk about WazirX and this really scary tax payment. Damn, it's about $6.6 million. Government officials from CGST Mumbai zone recovered the funds from crypto exchange WazirX after detecting a GST evasion of $5.43 million on trade commissions. Let's find out what exactly happened. Following non-payment of goods and services tax on trading commissions, Indian crypto exchange WazirX is said to have paid over $6.6 million. The overall recovery includes a $5.3 million overdue tax, interest, and a non-payment penalty. After discovering a $5.43 million GST evasion on the commissions, government authorities from the Central GST and Central Excise Committee retrieved the monies from the crypto exchange. Creating bogus invoices without actually transferring items between the seller and the customer is a common GST scam. According to the Economic Times, the tax agency discovered that WazirX pays commissions using its in-house WRX tokens, which were issued by Zanmai Labs. Further inquiry indicated that based on its market pricing, the crypto exchange failed to pay an 18% tax on the total tokens distributed. WazirX paid GST on the 0.2% commission it charges customers for conducting transactions in local currency, the rupee, according to the investigators, clarifying, however, when a trader opts for WRX coin transactions, the commission charged is 0.1% of the trading volume, and they are not required to pay GST on this commission. While the GST idea is new to the area, the Indian government has previously agreed to be kind with defaulters and fraudsters, often settling such cases with a monetary penalty and a reduced likelihood of jail time. So moving forward with our next coverage, the meme coin is back again. Shiba is going to defeat DOGGY in no time. Wait, this is not a prediction and not even an opinion. I just said it in the flow, don't take it on hard, DOGGY fans. Anyways, Shiba Inu developers have revealed the first phase of the decentralized autonomous organization, which would empower SHIB token holders. So let's have a deeper dive into this with our headline being: according to blog.shibaswap.com, the initial phase of the DAO aims to give the community greater power and influence by allowing them to choose which crypto projects and pairs to include in the Shiba Swap WOOF pools. On the decentralized exchange, community members will have the last say on how Bone tokens are distributed among these initiatives. Users who own T-Bone, our staked version of Bone tokens, will be able to vote on their favorite projects via a new community voting mechanism that will be implemented soon. These votes will also help make make projects available on Shiba Swap's pools, which is another step towards a truly decentralized community process. It will be a strong tool since the rewarded liquidity pools will be totally determined by the users. The developers will no longer make these decisions. Instead, the community will be in charge and they will have the last word on what they want to see and do on the platform. External projects and their developers will be able to offer liquidity for their tokens pairs using Shiba Swap's next iteration of the voting mechanism, which will help Shiba Swap continue to grow in usability and volume. According to Shiba Inu's staff, the more votes on a project receives, the more bone incentives it will earn. As a result, initiatives will attempt to garner as many votes as feasible. As a consequence of the users' votes, 30 new pairings will be added to WOOF pools on the site for the next 2 weeks until a new voting round begins. So wrapping up with our final segment, let's find out which one is the top meme coin. It is CarsAutoFinance. Whoa, that sounds like a degree. Anyways, let's have a look at some stats along with what this coin is about. With a 24-hour trading volume of $359,489 USD, the current CarsAutoFinance price is $0.016739 USD. Our CAF to USD exchange rate is updated according to 6 p.m. In the previous 24 hours, CarsAutoFinance has increased by 696.76% with a live market cap of not available. The current coin market cap ranking is 3587. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1,000 trillion CAF coins. If you're looking for a place to purchase CarsAutoFinance, the best cryptocurrency exchanges for CarsAutoFinance stock right now are FATBTC and WinDAX. Others are included on our cryptocurrency exchanges pages. CarsAutoFinance is a decentralized blockchain-based platform and cryptocurrency. Our objective is to create an international payment system that allows holders of our CarsAutoFinance platform to hold, trade and borrow automobile loans. Because obtaining auto loans through the CarsAutoFinance platform takes less time, our objective is to leverage the power of blockchain technology to address the worldwide car loan problem. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet y'all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog link below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coinmonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.